suffering succotash. Okay, y'all. We got some burgers. We got some buns. We got a hot griddle. We got Bob Belcher. Let's make some burgers. Okay, y'all. This ain't nothing fancy. It ain't smash burgers. It ain't chicken burgers. It ain't your mama's burgers. It ain't your daddy's burgers. It's just chuck brisket and short ribs, which is pretty darn good. It's already pattied for me, so I don't gotta do that. And we got some shallot seasoning from a local butcher shop. Throw that on. And Kinder's Buttery Burger Blend. Butter is good. We all know that. Butter's good on a burger. It's not a butter burger, but it's got a buttery blend burger on the burger. And let me see if I can rearrange things just a little. Oh, I'm already getting some juices coming out. So we don't have long. There we go. Look at that. Told the story before. You may have heard it. You may not. Clover Grill on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. First time I've seen anyone grilling their burgers under hubcaps. And it's not just a gimmick. It helps get all those juices in there. So, yeah. My griddle's on one notch above low, but it's hot. Whew, hot. The between our altitude and the sunny California sun, it gets hot up here. Okay, there's juices. That's when you know it's time to flip, when the juices start coming up. Or at least that's how I know. And looky there. Looky there. Looky there. Uh-oh. Sorry, lid. Let's add a little bit more shallot. The shallot has sugar and salt and garlic and stuff, parsley. So you get a little bit of sweetness, which is kind of cool. And the buttery seasoning's got, I don't know, something. Salt. I know that. Okay, we're covering, what do we got in here? Salt, garlic, spices, sea salt, maltodextrin, which is sugar, onion, mushroom powder, lemon juice, natural butter flavor, turmeric for color, chili pepper, natural flavor. So that's not a bad blend there, huh? Isn't that right? That's right, Mark. Thanks, Bob. You know what? I could actually start getting buns ready, couldn't I? I'm falling down on the job. I was waiting for one of you guys to do the buns. Silly me. So, I know you're just staring at a dome right now. Sorry. It happens. My fingers are busy. I can't pause you. So you'll just have to pretend you're seeing something besides the steaming dome. La 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 la. Artisanal brioche buns. I like artisanal. I do. Okay. We got our buns, almost. My plate's not big enough to do all at once. We're gonna cheat a little bit. I can't believe it's not butter. It's a spray. And I'm spraying this on the buns. Maybe. La 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 la. And the idea is will be buttery. Oh yeah, my buttery pan. That was the other thing I've used successfully. Because pumping out this butter is slow going. Very slow. And I'm getting butter everywhere. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, the buttery stuff is coming up. Smelling good, looking good. Slide these over a little. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, getting a good sear. Scrape up a little bit of whatever. Lay down the gauntlet. The buttery bun gauntlet here. You know what? Let's try the pan. Oh yeah. I like that. That's a lot easier than the pump fake spray. La 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 la. La 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 la. So the burgers are pretty much done. Let's oh, looky there. Huh? Look at that crust. Oh, we got a burger. We got a bun. We've got another bun. Got a burger. That's hot. Why didn't somebody warn me? That's hot. Let's see how you're doing. Yeah, almost pretty much. You could use a little more. It's kind of a dead zone. Let's see, what are you? You are the... Yep, you're a bottom. So this is a top. Ow! It's a hot top. Doesn't anyone warn me how hot this gets? Oh yeah. Got our crust. We got... I think these are going to be good. And Trader Joe's has their annual something. Oh, dill pickle mustard. And it goes so good on burgers. Look how easily the water just picks up all that crud. Huh? I need to do a more thorough cleaning. I'll do that after I eat my burgers, before Bob gets to them. But, yum, huh? You want to take a look? Check this out. Oh, that's hot, man. Check it out. Huh? Okay, hold on. Yum, yum. Okay. And there's Raja the Wonder Cat. Hi, Raja. The official co-host. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Tell the internet hi. Okay, she's done flirting with you. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for following, liking, sharing, subscribing. Your helpful comments and hints. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!